Recipe for easy mouth-watering lasagna. First, you want to prepare the ingredients. I have shredded parmesan and shredded mozzarella, ready-made one. Got my instant ready-to-bake lasagna pasta and 2 cans of traditional Prego tomato puree. Any types of tomato puree will do. And light soy sauce, minced chicken, garlic, and onion. So first you place the oil on your wok. You want to let the oil heat up for a while first before placing in the onions. So we want to stir fry the onions first, followed by the garlic. The reason why is because garlic gets burnt easily compared to the onion. So place the onion into the hot oil, and then you want to stir fry the onion. Just stir fry, you don't have to mix so much, okay? And then until the fragrance is out, then you want to go on and add in your garlic. So now you're going to grab your garlic. So I'm going to take my garlic and place it in. Then you want to stir fry the garlic and onions together until you can even smell the fragrance of the garlic. Then we will then proceed to getting ready your minced chicken. So the amount of minced chicken is up to you. If you love the tomato puree to have more minced chicken, it's fine. But for me, I prefer it to be moderate, not too much, not too little. So you want to fry the chicken properly until it's fully cooked. And then you add a little bit of soy sauce. If you want to ask me to be exact, it should be 2 tablespoons. But you know, when it comes to all this, I just put it. Then you stir. And once it is well cooked and well absorbed with the light soy sauce, you want to add in the 2 cans of tomato puree. So as you can see, there are a lot of remnants left in the tin, so you want to add water, shake the tin a bit, and then you add them to your wok. Then you want to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Then we're going to stir it up, let it mix well. Make sure to remember to stir, or not one part of your sauce will be salty and sweet, but the remaining will be sour. So why we add sugar is so that it can actually change the taste from sour to sweet and salty at the same time. So sweet and sour. Unless you prefer sour, you do not add. So I'm gonna just add in some basil. You can skip this step if you don't have at home. It's fine. It's not compulsory at all. I just love the taste of basils in tomato puree. So these are the sheet I have already broken up, and now I'm going to prepare by putting in my glass pan. I don't know what you call this, glass bowl or pan. So you want to put the tomato puree sauce first, pasta sauce first at the bottom, so that it doesn't burn at the bottom, it doesn't stick to the pan. Then you want to add cheese. Basically it's the same thing. You add the sauce, cheese, and then you add the pasta, lasagna pasta, and then you repeat. So you on repeat until that thickness that you wish to have. So if you guys ask me where do I get this, I got it from Jaya Grocer, which is available in most of the places in Malaysia. So then I'm going to add the sheet after I place the cheese. So it's sauce, cheese, and the pasta. So you want to use the perfectly sharp angle corners at the corners of your pan. Okay, so it's fine if you break them uglily or it's not even. Okay, it's okay as long as the corners have sharp edges, which is perfect. So you want to add the sauce. So if you ask me how much sauce, as long as it covers, not too much, okay, as long as it covers a very thin layer, it's fine. Then you want to add the cheese, because if you add too much sauce, it will not allow the lasagna pasta to stick with each other. So you're going to add the cheese, cover the whole surface, and once you're done, you're going to wrap it up with aluminium foil. Why? It's because you don't want the top layer of the cheese to burn. Okay, so place it in the oven. You're going to bake this for about 40 minutes. 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Just so you know, you have to remove the aluminium foil after 20 minutes, so after halfway, and then you remove. So you let the cheese be crunchy, and this is the outcome. Can you see it sizzling? Lasagna, the thickness you can totally build up until however you like. Happy trying!